Day one of building AI feature for our SaaS, which is Stagerify. It's a retail management system, a CMS. And this feature, what I'm doing is that I'm extracting data out of invoices or receipts. Many retail managers receive daily like hundreds and thousands of receipts. So this feature like helps them a lot. First of all, it will gonna get the image of the receipt using Webhook, and we're gonna use Gemini 2.5 Flash for extracting the data out, and after extracting and getting the data out, we will send that data specifically to that webhook from where we receive the data. So this is the first feature which I built in this SaaS system, and we're gonna build more together. So thanks for watching.